Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have 2 of our Heaven Panty subscriptions, so let's get into it and check it out. With Heaven Panty, for $13 a month, you will receive a pair of panties. I have 2 months here, so we're gonna do 2 pair of panties, but each month you will receive 1 pair of panties and it will be $13. But for that $13, you will also get $13 in credit that you can spend in their shop. So basically it's kind of free in that you'll get credit for the exact same amount of money that you spend. And it used to be that you could only use one of those $13 credits at a time, but now you can build them up to make your entire purchase free. They will offer you stylist advice, shipping is free, and when you first sign on, they will ask you so many questions like, do you prefer cotton or lace? Do you prefer thongs or not thongs? What colors are your favorite? So many questions. Then they'll assess your size, and then each month you'll receive a pair of panties for $13 and a $13 credit that you can spend in their store. You see where I'm going here. Plus, on top of that, if you refer your friends, if you sign up to do a friend referral thing, for each friend that signs up, you can get, I think it's like $20 in credit. So they have a really great program. And these are sent to me free for review. When we open up the outer bag, you also have an inner bag. So they are all nice and sealed. That is what the inner bag looks like, and it will just have a pair of panties in it. When you get your first panties, you will also get, or I imagine they still do it, a measuring tape. That way, if you have any fit issues, you can remeasure and let them know. Okay, our first pair, and it comes on the nice cardboard, but I'll take it off that. This is what it looks like. It is a full coverage bottom. It almost feels it's really firm, almost not girdly. It is by no means an old-fashioned girdle, but it feels like it's going to help tuck you in. It's a really pretty burgundy. The front has this lace, but behind the lace, you've got a nice lining. So it is really, really pretty, super soft. I have always found the quality on these just really fantastic. This one is 84% nylon, 16% spandex, and the crotch is 100% cotton. So you would have received this for your $13. It says it is a $15 panty. Plus you would also have then in your account $13 to go in. They do panties, bras. You can go over, check out the whole store and purchase with your credits. And if you sign up now, your first month is free. They're calling it a holiday special. I think most of the time that's the special, but I do know that it is going on now. Your first month is free. So again, we have our second pair. You can see, this is a clear window, so you can see the color you're getting through the window. Ooh, this one's pretty. It's kind of a navy. Can you guys see the navy in that? Let's get it off of here. Ooh, that is very pretty. Can you guys see the lace on the front of that? And then the legs on the back. The legs have lace. Let me see if I can show you better. See how that's lacy? So gorgeous. I love this color. You've got a full bum coverage in the back, but a lot of it is this gorgeous lace. It's got the almost scalloped edge. So pretty. So again, this would have been $13, but you would also, for purchasing this, receive $13 in the store. I know, it seems really confusing. If you go over to the website and let it walk you through, it's so much easier. So I will definitely link that below. This was 2 months for me, so it would have been $26, but I would also now have $26 in credit in their shop. And it says if you are not 100% satisfied with your Heaven Panty, you can return it. If you have any of your preferences you want to change, like if you find like you're getting too many briefs and you want to get thongs for a while, you can go back in and change your profile whenever you want. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know below. If I can answer them, I certainly will. I want to thank Heaven Panty for sending these over. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. Have a great evening. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys.